Namaste and welcome to the Digital Wisdom Podcast, where we don't just chase success, we grow with alignment and clarity. I am your host Sunil Mishra, and today I want to ask you one question. What if you had absolute clarity on what to learn, how to grow, and where to focus for the next 90 days? Not random YouTube tutorials, not overwhelming courses list, but a personalized, focused, and spiritual growth path for your career. Welcome to episode number 10, your 90-day tech career growth blueprint. Let's build your next level with heart, skill, and system. You wake up, open your laptop, and look at your to do list. It's full of half started courses, bookmarked articles, and random AI tool to check out. Deep down, you want growth, more income, better roles, meaningful work. But with so much noise, you ask, where do I even begin? That's why today episode will guide you through a clear 90-day blueprint so your next quarter become the most aligned and powerful chapter of your tech journey yet. I have been here stuck in learning loops, starting and stopping 5 things at once, but finishing none. I have met many talented tech professionals, developers, testers, analysts, all asking the same thing. How do I break free from overwhelm and actually grow? The answer: not more hustle, not more hours, but focused action, conscious clarity, and system. Let me show you how. So here is the 3-phase 90-day career growth blueprint. Phase 1, clarity, day 1 to day 30. So here goal is define where you are and where you are going. Do a skill audit, rate your current stack 0 to 5 scale. Journal your ideal tech role and future lifestyle. Pick one main learning goal for the quarter, and optional, read so good they can't ignore you. Mindset shift. So tool what we use: Notion, Google Docs, Skill Radar, ChatGPT, or audit prompts. Phase number 2, focus, day 31 days to 60 days. So here what goal should be there? Build one visual, impactful project. So choose one platform like web, mobile, cloud, data, or AI. Second, build a mini project that solve a real problem. Third, document everything in GitHub plus on LinkedIn. Next step, watch no more than one tutorial per week. So tool what we need to use: GitHub, VS Code, Firebase, Streamlit, and Replit. Phase number 3, momentum. Duration was day 61 to 90 days. So goal should be share, showcase, and seek feedback. So what steps we have to follow? Share weekly learning on LinkedIn or Twitter. Second step, join one community or group challenge. Third step, apply to 10 jobs or freelance gig. And fourth step, ask for one mentorship call per month. So platform what we use? LinkedIn, Upwork, TopMate and Polywork. This is not just career planning, this is spiritual structure for aligned growth. A tech support professional used this exact model. She moved from ticketing system to building internal automation tool and doubled her income in 3 months. A backend developer picked one 90-day goal, run AWS, build 2 projects and post weekly. He was invited to 4 interviews without applying. It's work not because it's magic but because it is intentional. So what action plan we have to follow? So here your 7-day starter challenge. Day 1, write your where am I now journal entry. Day 2, define your one learning goal for 90 days. Day 3, choose a mini project idea and outline it. Day 4, set up your GitHub Plus learning log. Day 5, join one online community on Telegram group. Day 6, record a 1-minute video sharing your 90-day plan. Day 7, post it. Start building momentum. Growth began not in perfection but in commitment. So let's bring this together. So today's summary: 90 days is enough to shift your clarity, confidence and career. Focus beats overblame. One skill, one project, one platform. Systems will carry you when motivation fades. So what is your action? Don't plan everything, just begin. Build one thing, share one insight, show up one day at a time, because your growth is not just about tech, it's about trusting your direction. And your direction starts with listening deeply. अपने भीतर की आवाज सुनिए, because the future is not just digital, it's conscious. I am Sunil Misra and this was the Digital Wisdom Podcast. Share this with someone who is ready to grow. DM me your day 1 journal. I will send you a surprise too. And as always, learn, grow and align.